Hey folks, heavy duty reviews here. Welcome to my channel. Got my Sig Sauer P226 or Sig Arms P226 in 357 Sig. Gonna do a little hammer spring job on it. And to start doing that, I want to take the slide off first. So we push it back into the slide lock. You push this one down like so, then you release the slide lock and it slides right off, and it's in good shape. It's good and oiled up. The recoil spring is good to go. It's a very strong recoil spring. It comes with a 24-pound factory spring, and that's just crazy. When you take off your grip screws, get the right size screwdriver. This is a flathead, so I got a flathead that's about the same size, and cradle your screws with your thumb so that it doesn't slip and mar your grips. And have something like that. A little bowl to put your grip screws in. Let them just fall into the bowl. 2. Okay, here we go. 3. Then you do this one. These are really nice engraved grips with silver inlays that I got off of eBay. They're really nice. I did refinish them though. They were kind of dull looking. So you take your grip panels off. Those over there. And you have the cup, the long cup type of screw. So what you need to do are hammer strut and spring. Get a thinner spring, or you want to let down so less tension on the spring. Decock it like I just did. Just decock it, and take this where this slot is, perfect for this screwdriver, and lift it up and over this ledge, this notch here, and take that out. Try not to disrupt your hammer strut because these are so hard to get back in. Just take it nice and slow. And where is my screw or my spring? This is the spring that I'm putting in. Okay, just like that, you put it in. Don't let the hammer strut move. If it does cock back on you a little bit, just do like that. That's fine. Find your cup. I need to get an aluminum cup. I'm not crazy about this plastic cup. If you can, just push it in with your hand. Let's see what that did. Nope, got down the joint on the strut, the hammer strut. It's out of the joint, way out of the joint. Okay, take it. It goes in like this. You got to put it like right in there, like right there. Wait, it didn't. And if you make it fall through the other side of the gun, that's not good. So let's try this again. Pointy side up towards the hammer. I think I got it. I think I got it that time. I hope I got it that time. If not, we'll keep doing it until we get it. There's only one way it can go in. you keep doing it the wrong way, you'll know. Just push it in with your finger. There we go. Nope. There we go. Okay, now let's see what we got. Nope. Wrong way again. Okay. We got it in. You just got to get it just right in there, up sort of towards the back, and it does work. Double action and single action. So let's see if it improved the trigger any. I'm kind of hoping that it did. I put the 17-pound spring in there. So let's see. Let's see what we got double or single action. That's good single action, but the double action is heavier than I would like. Hang on, that's not right. Yeah, it's too heavy. Change another spring. Okay, peeps, I got the other spring in. I had to cut a leaf off of it, and this pin started backing out, so I had to put it in the right spot. That should work. That's what I'm hoping. This pin right here, which controls virtually everything. It's crazy that this pin controls everything. I'm going to test the let's make sure it decocks good. Let's get it on camera decocking. Okay, it decocks good. Hammer pull is light, smooth, very smooth. So let's put it on the trigger pull meter. Well, not meter, but it's a trigger pull gauge. Gotta figure out a way to hold this without interfering with the trigger pull. That's right at 8 pounds. Okay, let's try this again, which is where I want it. Yeah. Yeah, right at 8. That's exactly where I want it. Do this again. Make sure it's lined up good. Yeah, that's pretty good. And try the single action. 3.5 pounds. I like that. It will ignite primers, but not be too, it'll be more accurate. Wait, let's try the double action again. Yeah. It's right at 8 pounds. Right at 8 pounds. Now let's try the single action. Make sure that wasn't a fluke. Okay. But just like that. And pull. Okay. Let's try it again. Get in the right spot. It says 4 pounds. So how was I doing it before? I want to get this perfect. Yeah, that's right at 3.5. And you really do it the right way. Let's try it one more time. Get my finger out of the way, or my yeah, right at 3.5. Try it one more time. Yeah, 3.5. That's where I want it. All right, let's put this bad boy back together. I can get it back together. All right. All right, and just flip that up. Let that go. Works great. Let's get some grips back on it. There we go. I want to really get some stainless steel grip screws because these are way old. Change out my screwdriver bit. Alright. Cradle the screw with your thumb. That's what they taught us in Smith & Wesson Armor School about putting screws on. Come on. Get in there. Alright. Might help if I put the grip on first before I try to screw it. Is that gonna fit? Alright. I want it a good tight fit. One last screw. You don't want to over tighten them. It could strip them. Just want to get them good snug. Just like that. Alright. Try the pull gauge again on double action. It's right at 8. Right at 8. Try single action. Because with the 18 pound it was right at, try that again. Am I pulling this thing wrong, or I must be pulling it wrong. I know it's not 7 pounds. Yeah, that's more like it.